Hi, I'm Kamal.
Hi, I'm Kushnama,
I am a hair artist since 20 years.
and I'm a celebrity and a bridal makeup artist,
So today we are here at Splan.
which is a beautiful co working salon and consultancy space.
So Kushama, why makeup?
So, I believe, in the words of Bobby Brown, that every person is beautiful, but with the correct makeup can be pretty powerful.
Well,
Why hair?
why hair? Because I feel no matter how expensive is your outfit, how pretty you are dressed, but if your hair is not done, so without hair, the look is incomplete.
I agree. Makeup and hair always work hand in hand together. Do you agree with that?
I agree.
So, do you think makeup is more in demand or hair?
Uh, Both goes hand in hand. I mean, you can do without makeup, but not without the good hair.
I agree.
Because if you have good hair, you have a lot of confidence. It's not just hair, it's your confidence, it's good vibes, it's the way you feel.
Also, correct me if I'm wrong. Doing makeup, I feel, is slightly more easier because you are in control of it. You can see what's happening. You are in front of the mirror. But it's very difficult to do your hair on your own, is because you have to maneuver the equipment, be it a blow dry or be it tongs, and it's not easy to go back there or do a certain area of your hair. So, do you agree with that?
Yes. Yes.
So, do you
It's
think
difficult to do your own hair. You can do your own makeup, but it's very difficult to do your
Do
hair
your
from
own hair.
back, and it is difficult. Yes.
and that is
But
why
the once you practice it, it's easy. It's
Okay.
not that difficult that you just can't do it.
Absolutely.
It's very easy.
absolutely.
Actually.
So, do you think doing personalized hair sessions, doing a personal workshop for hair is important?
You should. I mean, everyone should know how to do their hair. I mean,
Absolutely.
people have a lot of tools nowadays. They have that airbrush and a lot of things which they don't know how
Yes,
to use it.
yes, yes.
And finally, they tell me that it doesn't work.
Yes.
It works, but you should know how
know
to
how
do
to
it.
use it. I agree,
So-
because I have a lot of clients who have tons and tons of makeup and brushes and expensive products, and they have it all, but they do not know how to use it.
I agree,
So-
because a lot of people who ask me also at the same time that how do we use it. So it's always good to learn how to do it.
Absolutely. Makeup is the education that gives you the confidence and power to conquer the world. And today we are celebrating the World Education Day in a glam way.
So learning never stops, especially when you love what you do.
A lot coming up, so watch this